Hello everyone, welcome to Edugain YouTube channel. Today let us continue the life process lesson. The link to the previous part I will be uploading in the description box. So tell me, what do you mean by respiration? Respiration is the process in which glucose is broken down with the help of oxygen and energy is released along with the production of carbon dioxide and water. So there are two types of respiration. One is aerobic respiration, the other one is anaerobic respiration. Now let us learn about aerobic respiration. It is a process of respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen. Look at this diagram. Glucose, that is a 6-carbon molecule, breaks down to pyruvate. Pyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule plus energy. Okay. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. So in the presence of oxygen, where does this take place? In mitochondria. Okay. It gives out carbon dioxide plus water and energy. Now let's learn about anaerobic respiration. It's the respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen. Glucose breaks down to pyruvate, that's a 3-carbon molecule, and energy in the absence of oxygen. Where does this take place? In yeast. It gives out ethanol plus carbon dioxide and energy. When there is a lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, what takes place? Anaerobic respiration only, because lack of oxygen means absence of oxygen. It gives out lactic acid plus energy. Lactic acid is a 3-carbon molecule again. So look at this, all the byproducts are energy. The end products are energy. Okay. Now let's see what happens to the energy that is released during aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The energy released during the process of respiration is immediately used to synthesize another molecule called as ATP. ATP is made from ADP, an inorganic phosphate, with the help of energy released during the respiration. ATP is broken down into a fixed amount of energy and then drive the endothermic reactions in the cell. Now let's learn about respiration in plants. The respiration in plants takes place through stomata. Plants exchange gases through stomata. The large intercellular spaces ensure that all the cells are in contact with air. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged in and out of the cell by the process of respiration. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means it requires sunlight. So during the night, in the absence of sunlight, photosynthesis do not take place, and hence carbon dioxide is released but not used by the plants. During the day, there is no carbon dioxide release because the released carbon dioxide is used up by the plants for photosynthesis. Oxygen is released instead of carbon dioxide during the day. Now let's learn about respiration in animals. In aquatic animals, rate of breathing is fast due to the less amount of dissolved oxygen in water. Fishes take in water through their mouth and force it to the gills, from where the dissolved oxygen is absorbed by blood. Terrestrial animals use atmospheric oxygen, and different animals use different organs for breathing. The surface of organs is very fine and delicate and placed within the body. So in humans, lungs is placed within the body, right? Passages are there in the body which takes the oxygen rich air to the area of respiration. Let us learn about respiration in human beings. In this diagram, air is taken through nostrils and air is filtered while passing through the nostrils by fine hairs and mucus that line the passage. From nostrils, air passes through the throat where rings of cartilages are present. Air reaches the lungs from throat and within the lungs divides into small tubes ending into balloon-like structure called alveoli. Network of blood vessels are present in the alveoli. The oxygen in the alveolar air is taken by the blood vessels after releasing carbon dioxide collected from all the cells of the body in the alveoli. Lungs contain a residual volume of air during the breathing cycle. Respiratory pigments present in the body take up oxygen from lungs and transport to all the cells of the body. You know what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment of human beings present in the red blood cells, which has high affinity of oxygen. As carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen, so it is transported mostly in dissolved form in our blood. In today's class, we learnt about respiration, types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. We got to know what does ATP mean. We learnt about respiration in plants, respiration in animals, and also respiration in human beings. The remaining part, transportation and excretion, we learn in the coming videos. So please do like and share this video and also subscribe EduGain. Thank you for watching.